fucking the gun.
No. It was the firing pin because the firing pin made the bullet go off.
Yeah, why does the fire pin work on the gun? That's the first question you gotta ask. Why?
Better question is why are you walking around with a gun?
Think about it. I thought it was a fidget, so I was fingering that like my girl, and then it went off.
No, you're not fingering your girl unless you're fingering yourself.
I like how that's the only thing you could have said too. They couldn't even say anything back. Oh no. Can you all please just stop? Please? Just start the lobby, goddamn.
Where is it?
That was the gun, not me, trust. Remember.
Oh, dude, my bad.
Butterfingers aren't there.
It's.
That's gonna be a permanent mark.
Oh, dude, where are you? Okay, where's my?
A place that is very known to you. You know the funny thing? I was about to say that it's up here. My brother has a fake one that shows you. Well, I mean, he's... As I say, it's kind of expected.
Holy!
I don't want a carnage. Even though I'm really good with it for some reason. But I want to use a shotgun. Correction, pedophile. But I want a shotgun. God damn, that was loud. I don't know. I just found it in the early section. It's got like one barrel, but it's the loudest zone. You know, I was about to say a shotgun is dangerous from close range, even though I believe we all know that it is. No, this isn't sawed off. It's just a shotgun. Oh yeah, no, the little double barrel one. This thing's loud.
Wasn't fucking
I'm
shooting
killing
you,
them.
dumbass.
But I want to kill them, Dad. Oh, let's see what I'm doing. Oh, this is not the gun I thought it was. Oh yeah. You remember this one? Oh, wait, where is that one?
It's an heavy. It's in the very backside of it.
Oh, I see it. We're doing what?
Gangster shotgun and a fucking switch.
or The Walking Dead.
This is not Walking Dead.
No, they're gonna be Walking Dead.
My bad.
Wait, I just had a brilliant idea. We need to double barrel these, like dual hand them. Oh my god, you can hold it one-handed and it stays in your hand. How is that even possible? Look what I've done. This is what happens when you give me a shotgun. These stay in your hand, by the way. But I have to cock it back, so that's really the downside. I want my double barrel. My long double barrel. I want my money back.
Oh, who's he? I mean, I knew the grid.
You after playing the game like 1 second later, can I have my money back? Where are these guys at? Oh yeah, that's right, I forgot. Bamboo special. If you remember that gun. Do you remember Bamboo special? It's that automatic shotgun that looks like a pump shotgun. They don't have revolvers. Not good ones, at least. If one shotgun wasn't enough, get two.
Fucking King stole my shot.
It's probably because like most of our teammates are using shotguns. Frick you, King. Ow. I can't tell if I'm hurting myself more or hurting the enemies with my shotgun.
Use a shotgun too.
Split him in half.
That's coming behind you. Oh, you're dead too. Okay, you fucking dead. That's fucking horse shit, dude. It aimed right at him. There's no way he saw me either because he ran past me. There's no way he saw me. Shotguns do not get the they deserve for being health.
As you're using shotguns.
Bro. Get out of here.
Ow. He's like half health now. Should I use the 50? Well, now we're both using 50s, I guess, then. If we don't die first.
Heyo.
I'm starting to really hate this King guy. In the first level. See what I mean? Oh my god, dude. Frick Timmy, bro. I don't care if he has autism or anything, he's going to hell. I got one of the guys in the back here, but they're probably gonna be replacing another. The god just took my revolver away from me.
Yes!
Yeah, that wasn't more obvious enough. And what's not even more obvious is that they're all using modern time weapons too. Not modern time, but modded weapons. This is why I hate modded weapons.